Chase versus Monzo, what is the right choice for you? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be delving into a comparison between two prominent players in the banking world, which is Chase and Monzo. And to create an account on any of those platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So basically, we're conducting a detailed analysis of Chase and Monzo, examining their respective pros and cons, features, and other important factors. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know what is Chase, it is often referred to JP Morgan Chase, one of the largest, most established banks in the United States, in which it offers a comprehensive range of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, investment management, and commercial banking services, in which Chase provides convenient access to banking services for millions of customers. And Chase is known for its robust security measures, customer support, and competitive interest rates on certain accounts. On the other hand, Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that has gained significant popularity for its innovative approach to banking and customer-centric features, and it offers a range of banking services primarily through its mobile app, including current accounts, savings account, and debit cards. And one of the Monzo's key features is its emphasis on transparency and user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for customers to manage their finances and track their spending in real time. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Chase and Monzo. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of both platforms. In terms of account types feature, Chase offers checking, savings and credit cards, investments, and loans. On the other hand, Monzo offers current account, savings account, joint account, and business account. And in terms of mobile app feature, Chase offers are available for iOS and Android devices, same as Monzo. And in terms of international transactions, Chase is supported with potential foreign transaction fees, while Monzo has supported with no foreign transaction fees. And in terms of ATM access, Chase offers extensive ATM network with fee-free options, while Monzo offers fee-free ATM withdrawals up to the limit. Charges may apply thereafter. And aside from that, in terms of peer-to-peer payments feature, Chase offers Zelle for peer-to-peer payments, while Monzo offers Monzo-to-Monzo payments plus integration with other payment platforms. Now in terms of budgeting tools feature, Chase offers basic budgeting tools and spending trackers, while Monzo offers advanced budgeting features including categorization and insights. On the other hand, in terms of savings tools feature, Chase offers automatic savings options and goal setting, while Monzo offers round-up feature, savings spots, and integration with other savings apps. And now in terms of interest rates, Chase offers variable interest rates for savings and checking accounts, while Monzo offers variable interest rates for savings accounts, but no interest for checking. Now moving on to pros and cons of using both platforms, starting to pros of Chase. It is an established bank with a large physical branch network, and it offers a wide range of financial products including checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and investment. And it has comprehensive online banking and mobile app with advanced features, with extensive ATM network with fee-free options for customers. And it has robust security features including EMV, chip technology, and fraud monitoring. And you could also access to customer support via phone, online chat, and email using Chase. However, the cons of using Chase is that it may have higher fees and charges compared to online-only banks, and it has limited international transaction support with potential foreign transaction fees. And it has traditional banking experience without some of the innovative features offered by digital-only banks. And in terms of its interest rates on savings accounts and checking accounts may be lower compared to online competitors on the market. Now moving on to the pros of using Monzo, it has innovative digital-only bank with user-friendly mobile app, and it offers transparent fee structure with no hidden fees and no charges for foreign transactions, with advanced budgeting tools including categorization and insights. And it has seamless integration with other payment platforms for peer-to-peer payments. And it offers flexible savings options with features like round-up savings spots and integration with other savings apps. It also offers real-time transaction notifications and the ability to praise the card directly from the app, and the community-driven approach with active users forum and feedback channels. While the cons of using Monzo is that it offers limited physical presence with no physical branches, and it may not offer as wide range of financial products as traditional banks like Chase. And its ATM withdrawals may incur fees beyond a certain limit, with customer support primarily through in-app chat with limited phone support. and it has interest rates on savings accounts may not be as competitive as those offered by traditional banks. But the question is, who should choose Chase? Well, Chase is an option for people who like the ease of physical bank with many branch locations, in which it serves to those who value having access to services such as checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, and people who prefer in-person interactions and personalized help might find Chase attractive because of its branch network and face-to-face customer service options. Moreover, Chase provides both an banking platform and mobile app catering to individuals who enjoy both digital and traditional banking experiences. And those customers who use ATMs frequently will appreciate Chase's ATM network that offers fee options for account holders. So in summary, Chase is a pick for those looking for a banking experience along with benefits of modern digital tools and widespread availability. But what about Monzo? Who should choose Monzo? Well, Monzo stands out as an option for people who prefer banking experience focused on digital innovation and clear fee structures, in which it is designed for customers who appreciate the user interfaces, simplicity, and convenience in managing their finances. Those who value in budgeting features and financial insights will find Monzo particularly beneficial thanks to its app that includes tools like expense categorization, spending tracking, and instant transaction alerts. Moreover, individuals who travel frequently internationally will find Monzo appealing due to its absence of foreign transaction fees and seamless integration with payment platforms, making it a top choice for nomads and frequently travelers. Furthermore, the community-driven approach of Monzo, which includes user forums and feedback channels, appeals to those looking for transparency and engagement from their banking provider. So in summary, Monzo is an option for tech individuals seeking a contemporary banking solution that emphasizes transparency, ease of use, and adaptability. And now, in conclusion, or in summary, deciding between Chase and Monzo comes down to preferences, priorities, and banking requirements. Chase provides a banking approach with a network of physical branches and a wide range of financial products and various services suited for customers who appreciate face-to-face interactions and access to diverse financial solutions. On the other side, Monzo offers a digital-first banking experience with innovative features, transparent fees, and advanced budgeting tools designed for tech-savvy individuals who value simplicity, convenience, and flexibility in their banking interactions. Whether going for Chase's established presence and extensive services or Monzo's cutting-edge feature and digital ease of use, customers can choose based on their preferences and lifestyle needs. And ultimately, both Chase and Monzo strive to meet the changing demands on their clientele in today's digitalized world. So that is just basically the comparison review between Chase and Monzo. Thank you.